Here's how to use your VHS-C adapter to watch your old cassettes in your VHS tape recorder. Please note these adapters are suitable for VHS-C tapes only. 8mm tapes are not compatible with this adapter. So, let's get started. Remove the cover from the battery compartment. Insert a battery. Then, place the cover back onto the battery compartment. Move the switch into the direction of the arrow to open. Place the VHS-C cassette into the cassette compartment. Close the lid until the switch clicks into place. Put the adapter tape in your VHS player and press play. Try to avoid using the fast forward and rewind functions where possible. Move the switch into the direction of the arrow. Remove the cassette from the compartment and close the lid. And that's how to use your new VHS-C adapter.